Dick is going to show us how he loads his 65-pound e-bike manually onto the bed of his truck. Pivot up, stick the front wheel on the tailgate, lift up on the back, slide it in, put the kickstand down to stabilize it, and then
the truck and tie it down.
Then he's going to run it into the corner. Cat a corner against the truck. And then he's going to use ratchet straps to tie it down. So he runs one around the seat post, connects the other right there. Then the other one goes on, cranks down to the seat post.
That strap I never changed the length of, so when I tighten this side down, it's already tightened down on that side.
And he puts it to the middle connector. And this is the only one he tightens because the other strap is already set at the correct length. Shake it again, Dick. And that is in there permanently. And that's how you load a heavy e-bike on the back of the tailgate. And getting it off is just the reverse. You roll it back, put the kickstand down, drop it off the tailgate, and then you're good to go.